what is up, beautiful people? Today I have the Sheglam Spring It On collection for you guys. They did send me this for review purpose. This is my first time trying Sheglam and you will see my thoughts on it. So I will go through the products. They have a full line of collection. It includes 2 palettes, a few blushes, a few cream highlighters, and also some lip glosses. So I do show swatches in the try on portion, and I also did this look. Mostly the top part of my eyes is using the Bloom palette and then the lower lash line is using the Clover palette. So let's get into it. Sheglam is a sister company of Shein, and if you guys have seen my hauls, you know that I buy from Shein like crazy. I love their fashion, super affordable. Let me know if you guys want to see more Shein looks or also a full Sheglam face. I've also been asking on my Instagram and you guys seem to really want to see that, so I will be purchasing foundation, concealer, the whole 9 yards from Sheglam to do a review for you guys because they are super affordable. Palettes $6, $8, like very affordable brand. So let's go ahead and get into it. And the first palette is this one. This is the Sheglam Spring It On Clover palette. These shades are so cute. Look at the shades right there. I will do a close-up for you guys so you guys can see. Look at that. Is that not so beautiful? And it comes with a good variety of mattes and shimmers, so you can do different looks. I'll go ahead and show you guys little finger swatches so you guys can see them. So those are the top 3 shades, which are Hint of Mint, Sunday's Best, and Olive You. And let me just wipe my fingers. And then the next 3 are Country Club, Gold Standard, and Lime Spritz. And look how pigmented those are. They are so beautiful. And I will be doing a full green look on my reels on Instagram. So if you're not following me, follow me. And if you're not subscribed, what you waiting for? And then the next 3 are Pining for You, Money Hungry. Oh, that Money Hungry is gorgeous. And Derby. That Money Hungry is that middle shade. Look at that. It's one of those reflective, beautiful, like brown green shades. So those are the shades in the Clover palette, and this collection is available. They also did give me a coupon code for you guys. I don't get any compensation with the coupon code. It's you know, for your benefit only. So if you want to take advantage and get a 15%, definitely get that. I'm sorry if you guys hear my dog. He is like playing with a bone behind me. Next up is the Spring It On Bloom palette. Look how cute. And then these are the shades. So this is definitely a pinky purple palette. Same kind of deal where it has a good variety of mattes and shimmers. And let's go ahead and swatch. This is Unspoken, Spill the Tea, and Love Bliss. All 3 of those are mattes. And I did do a try on portion. I think I already mentioned that though. Next up is Melrose, Siren, and Pixie Dust. Look at that. And then the last 3 are Shy at First, It's My Own, and Make It French. So those are the last 3 right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. In the try on portion, I also show swatches of the lip products. And so basically we have these 2 palettes, and then there is a cream blush, which you guys will see in the try on portion. It's more of a velvety texture. It's a little thicker and it goes from cream to powder. I definitely recommend either putting it in the back of your hand or putting it on something to actually like dip into and then apply. I do have it on my cheeks and I feel like this is really great. I applied it even on top of powder and it blended seamlessly with no issue whatsoever. And then the highlighters are a little bit more liquidy, and this is in the shade Fancy Fizz. Let me go ahead and swatch these for you guys so you guys can see them. But so this is Fancy Fizz, and it does have quite a bit of glitter in there, just so you know. If you're not into glitter in your highlighters, just so you know. And then as you can see there, it's more like a velvety texture. It's not as creamy for the blush. So definitely you want to pat this on with a brush, and that's the swatch right there. And it's very satiny, very gorgeous. And this is in the shade Flash Mauve. So those are the two shades. And also these lip glosses, I will show you guys the swatches in the try on portion. You guys will see me actually apply it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the try on of me actually using these products now. The try on portion, we are going to jump into the Bloom palette, and I will be doing looks on this Clover palette over on my Instagram. So definitely follow me down below. So we're gonna jump in, and I'm just gonna use Unspoken, which is this gorgeous, just blank canvas kind of shade to do my brow highlight and just kind of set everything in place at the same time. And I think I'm just gonna do one eye on camera and then do the other one off camera just because it's easier for me to edit. And let's get my little Miss Piggy. Ta-da! I love her. And the next thing I'm going to use is this gorgeous shade Love Bites. I think that that is going to, I'm sorry if you can hear my dog. He is right behind me and being very extra. So we're gonna use Love Bites as a transition shade. And these palettes are very affordable. I am going to try to buy a foundation, concealer, like the whole 9 yards from Sheglam and do a full face of Sheglam for you guys. I've been doing polls on my Instagram and a lot of you guys said that you wanted to see that. So your wish is my command. Next thing that we're gonna do is use the Make It French, which is this dark purple, and I'm just using a smaller brush to just kind of wing the eye and put that in the outer corner. And I'm just gonna keep it really concentrated there. Okay, since I love purple so much, we are gonna go in with Pixie Dust. Okay, so that's this gorgeous, like, multicolored purple. Oh, that's pretty. It almost has like a shift to it, which is just stunning. Wow, that is, woo. And for that inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and use Melrose and apply that on the inner corner. Where are you, little? I think I'm gonna take this even into the tear duct because it's so pretty. For underneath the lash line, I'm going to go ahead and play with a little color and use the green Olive You and give a pop of green because purples and greens just go beautifully together. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it's not. Nice little punch of color. Oh, I like it. It's just very springy and fun. Mint, and just apply that to the inner part just to give it an extra little pop. So hopefully I did not put the mirror in front of that, but these palettes are so much fun. I went ahead and finished my eyes. I absolutely love this look. It's just so much fun and very springish. And we're gonna go ahead and try the Cream 2 Powder Blush. This is in the shade Flash Mauve. I know they have various shades. I'll try to put a picture around here of the different shades that they have available, or probably in my introduction I already put a picture up, but I'm gonna just, oh, okay. So this is very creamy, so I think that maybe I should apply this. It's not as creamy as I thought that I could apply it directly on the brush, so I'm just going to pop some out here, as you can see there. So it's a pretty thick formula. I thought it would be like a little bit more. Wow, that is pigmented. Okay, we're just gonna dab a little bit on and dab a little bit here to share, because sharing is caring. I tell my son that all the time. This is so pretty. I love the way this blends in. A lot of creams, I tend to do this whole tapping motion that you guys see me doing. And I do use synthetic brush. This one is from Moda Brushes, who I adore their brushes. So very, very nice. Look at that. And they do have other shades available. It kind of makes me want to pick up more of a darker, like a bronzier tone. They have a lot of them, and these are so freaking affordable. I will have a list of prices down below of all these products. Next thing that we're gonna try is the liquid highlight, and this is in Fancy Fizz. And same thing, I'm just going to, okay, this one's a lot more liquidy. You can definitely see where this one is more creamy compared to this one. As you can see, this is more of a velvety kind of formula, and the liquid highlight is more of a cream. So I'm just gonna tap this on with my finger, just blend it in. What do you guys think? Let's build it up and see. Applied a little bit more, and just going to use a synthetic brush. This is a no-name brush from Crown. I think it's called their HD brushes. I don't even know if they still have them because I bought these a long time ago. But you could actually really build this up if you wanted to, or do it very subtle. And it does have quite a bit of, like, literally has little glitter particles on there that I can actually see on my finger. So that would just depend if you're okay with having glitter on your highlight. That just is more preference. So there we go. And we're gonna go ahead and try the lip products now that we have our cheeks on, very glowy. And they sent me 4 products. We're gonna go from dark to lightest, and I'll go ahead and lip swatch. This is their Glow Gloss, and this is Espresso Yourself. And you know what? I'm gonna do a lip swatch on my Instagram and do like a switch of lips. I'll just go ahead and do swatches here. Oh, that is pretty. So this is Espresso Yourself. And if you want to see lip swatches, like I said, just check out my Instagram. I will do a lip swatch video for you guys. And then second here is VIPeach. And then the lightest of these peachy shades is Pink Slip. So Pink Slip. Oh, I think I'm gonna use that Pink Slip. And then the clear one is called See It Through. And it is a gorgeous clear with a crap ton of gold shimmer. Very beautiful. So those are the shades right there. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the beautiful, oh, that's pretty. It's kind of like a pinky peach, and that one is called Pink Slip. So let's go ahead and try that baby on. Yeah, we're gonna do Pink Slip. So here is the Pink Slip. I think it absolutely looks so beautiful. I love how shiny these are, and they're not like that goopy, globby kind of gloss. They're just really nice. So if you can see there, they don't stick to, you know, when you get those lines in between where they're like sticking to each other. I really enjoy this. Obviously, this is a gloss, so it's not gonna stay. It's something that you're gonna have to reapply. It'll probably transfer, but if you're into that glossy look, this is absolutely just very, very beautiful. For my final thoughts, I have to say I am very impressed by the quality of these, especially for the price points. These are super affordable, very nice, very comparable to other brands that are more or less this price point. Gorgeous shades. The shimmers apply like a dream. The mattes really blend it out nicely. They build really nicely as well. I will definitely continue to try these. Let me know if you guys want that full face of Sheglam. I think that they are going to be a hit with a lot of people just because they're super affordable, and I think some of these other brands got some competition because these are absolutely amazing. Just very gorgeous. The blush, the highlighter, the lip glosses, just very, very nice quality, super cute packaging. I think they're doing a spectacular job. As I said before, I do have a coupon code if you guys want to get 15% off this brand, and I will have links to where you can get the Spring It On collection from Sheglam, and also check out Sheglam and Shein for products. So let me know what you guys think. Have you tried any of their products? Which ones do you recommend, or which ones would you guys like to see reviews on? I would love to do reviews. I'm trying to do more reviews and demos for you guys, especially on like just products that interest me in general, and a lot of these Sheglam products interest me, so you guys will be seeing more coming up. Okay, I'm gonna have to kick my dog out of this room. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button, follow me on social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.